back with another salon work, and this video is sponsored by OMGHerHair. So here I'm just showing y'all everything that comes in the box, basically a whole bunch of goodies to get your wig laid and slayed and all that good stuff. So this wig is pre-plucked, it has the baby hairs ready to be laid, and this is a 360 lace wig, which means you get a hairline all the way around for a really realistic looking wig. So I was super excited to install this because I really haven't worked with a lot of 360 wigs. So to get this wig looking as natural as possible, I decided to go ahead and bleach the knots all the way around. Y'all seen me do this a million times. So all you do is get that bleach to a nice thick consistency, and I'm flipping the wig inside out and just applying that to the lace. So about 30 to 45 minutes later, this is what it's looking like. Definitely ready to be shampooed, and just look at that, it's looking so real already. And I'm using my Aussie Mega Moist shampoo and conditioner for this wig, making sure to just get it clean because it did have a little bit of a smell to it, and I really love this stuff. It just gets the hair smelling like nice and clean. It just smells so good. And I'm just using a tiny bit of conditioner because I am leaving it in the hair to define the curls. And then here I just want to show y'all, like, girl, what shedding. This wig had almost zero shedding, which was amazing. So this is how I dry my wigs. I just put a towel on a foam head, put the wig on, pin it down, and I let it air dry. So next step is to braid my client's hair down, and y'all already know with any protective style I like to moisturize, so I'm using this Cantu Shea Butter to braid. And I did make her braids like medium size since she is getting a 360, because you don't want the braids to be real bulky when you're trying to pull it up. And another method I do is pulling up that first braid into the second braid and just bringing that on down. I learned this from another stylist, Deeper Than Hair TV, thank you girl. And just basically creating like a zigzag pattern. That way the braids will lay flat and it won't be so bulky in the back with all those braids. So next step is to put the wig on and cut the lace off, and what I'm doing here is just mimicking my client's hairline to match the lace. That way it looks a lot more natural. Next, I'm using the Got To Be glue in the black bottle just to lay down her edges, and I'm also going to lay down her hair in the back. Go ahead and stick her hairline. I'm using the Got To Be glue in the yellow bottle along with the free spray, and y'all, this stuff is just mega hold. It holds it so good, so that's why I like to use this to like stick it down. So here I'm just showing y'all that the cool setting is what's gonna do it with this gel. Okay, I have learned that the cool setting just gets it really tacky without drying it up. So next is just applying that frontal hairline down, and I like to mesh it in with my little rat tail comb. Keep pressing it until you get it exactly how you want it to be. So next I went ahead and stuck the back down, and I actually learned that it was a lot easier for me to do the back once the front was done and dry, because it was a little tricky trying to hold both of them in place before they dried. But I used these wrap strips to go ahead and do the melt down, and I made sure not to put those wrap strips under the back, but like on top of the back, so that back part could lay down as well. So here's about an hour later. I just let it sit at room temperature to dry. And I just wanted to show y'all, if y'all see like little pieces sticking up, this free spray will be your best friend. Just spray it, blow dry it, bam. That's it. It'll stick like magic. Then I'm just going in with my spray bottle just with water to mist the hair a little bit to style it again. And I just want to take some time to appreciate this wig. Like, do y'all see this? Do you see it? Like, do you see it, girl? Seriously, this lace was like damn near perfect. I was just super amazed with this wig overall. Like I can't even talk. Anyway, I'm using this edge control by Amber J, and y'all, she got edge brushes. Oh girl, with a little comb at the end, and I was just so excited to go ahead and slay these baby hairs. And I'm just taking those baby hairs out, cutting them down with my razor. I didn't want to go real crazy with the baby hairs because, as y'all saw, this hair looked really good without baby hairs. The lace looked good without baby hairs, but I did want to give her a little bit, because we just love baby hairs over here, okay? So I finesse her baby hairs. It takes me a minute to do them because it's like an art, you know what I'm saying? You got to keep going in and fixing. And what I really like to do is swoop those baby hairs back into the lace, and that really helps furthermore to hide the lace and just create a realistic look. So here I'm using this wax stick. This was like my first time using this, and y'all, I'm just gonna let y'all watch. Like, yes, Amber J. So finally, I'm just showing y'all how this looks up in a ponytail, because that is really the whole point of a 360 lace wig, is to pull it up and do different stuff with it. And then I go in and just put like some little baby hairs at the back to make it look a little more realistic. And that is about it, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all enjoy this little montage. Like, for real, y'all, this was like the best 360 wig I've worked with. It was flawless, it was perfect, it was popping, we was both feeling it, okay? So make sure to check out all of OMGHerHair's information down below in that description box. Go ahead and click them links so you can find this exact wig. Oh, she was just so cute. But thank y'all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure you thumbs up. Oh my god, thumbs up for these girl, thumbs up. Thank y'all so much for watching. I will talk to y'all in my next video.